Hey everyone, Craftsman Exterior Remodeling on a inspection appointment here on a home that we're about to do some work for. And what I wanted to pop on really quick and show the importance of a gutter system and how it should be installed correctly. You can see here we have a few problems, and this is hardy siding and wood trim, but as you can see, this top level downspout, it is angled towards the home, and this is causing a lot of rot and decay. So that hardy siding is getting water dumped on all the time, every time it rains, and this piece of wood trim is rotted out here at the bottom, will not hold paint. And you can also see what that does to the decay of the hardy siding. So the worry here is what's happening behind there, as water is rotting out the exterior building products, and we'll start to get to the interior walls. So one small piece of a gutter system downspout being tilted towards the house can cause a ton of problems down the road. And then over on the opposite side, you can see here this gutter tray is actually sloped up where the downspout meets the tray. So there's a lot of water pooling right here in the middle because it doesn't have the proper slope. So could be a potential problem in the future. The homeowner did say that there is some water damage on the interior side right around this window here. That's the bathroom. And this home also doesn't have drip edge, and the roof has been replaced in 2018, so it should definitely have drip edge. So again, just make sure that your contractor that you're hiring knows the full building envelope and knows how to install things correctly, because these are things that the homeowner wasn't even aware of. So thanks for tuning in. Craftsman Exterior Remodeling.